Hello, everybody. Today, I am extremely proud to announce a brand new series. I call it Chainsaw Skits. It is based off a very popular Japanese manga and anime series called Chainsaw Man. The original manga came out in, I believe, December of 2018. It got an anime adaptation in, I think, November of 2022. Yeah, I think Chainsaw Man was like really it was actually sort of relevant on like YouTube and parts of the internet in like late 2022 and like throughout 2023, and I think possibly into early 2024, I think. Um, Initially, they wanted to the people at Mappa who were like who managed to get the rights to Chainsaw Man to make the anime. They decided to do the next part in the series called Bomb Girl arc, or whatever in God's name it's called. Um, Yeah, it was originally going to come out in sometime in 2023 or 2024, but they got delayed because they had to do like some other stuff like Jujutsu Kaisen, which is like another anime. Yeah, however, they did decide that Bomb Girl arc, or whatever it's even called, into a theatrical cinematic movie. So in late 2025 came out um Chainsaw Man Reze arc. Reze, I think that's how you say it in, yeah. It's another character in the in the in the manga slash anime. Yeah, I think it's pronounced as Reze. Just take it as a grain of salt, because I don't know how to pronounce the name of that Chinese, Taiwanese girl, Chinese, Taiwanese, South Korean girl, or whatever ethnicity slash nationality she is. I don't know. I heard she's actually Kazakh. She's a Kazakh or whatever. She's from Kazakhstan, I heard. But yeah, now in like actually a few weeks back, as of recording this, they actually Mappa, they actually released two trailers of season 2 of Chainsaw Man, which picks up right after Bomb Girl arc or whatever. It's the International Assassins arc, which sounds like a pretty badass name in my opinion. It sounds like a really aura farm. It sounds like a name filled with aura farming. Yeah, yeah. Um, I think the second season is going to come out later this year or sometime in early 2027. As of recording this video. Now with that out of the way, let's continue on. Let's continue on with the video. Yep, that's right. Without further ado, let's begin with this video. Let's begin with the video, shall we? Oh yes, sorry about that. What is fair use? Fair use is a US copyright doctrine that can allow limited use of copyrighted material without permission for purposes like parody, commentary, criticism, news reporting, education, or research. It is not automatic, though courts look at the full context using four main factors: the purpose and character of the use, the nature of the copyrighted work, how much of the work is used, and whether the use harms the market value of the original. A parody series can sometimes have a stronger fair use. A parody series can sometimes have stronger fair use arguments if it transforms the original by mocking, commenting on, or changing it in a meaningful way. But simply copying characters, scenes, music, or artwork can still create copyright risk. The US Copyright Office also notes that there is no fixed amount or percentage that is always safe. Fair use depends on the circumstances. Over here, yeah, it's the Great Seal of the United States. So yeah, that's cool. Warning. This video contains content that may not be suitable for younger audiences and is intended for a slightly more mature audience. It includes elements of fantasy violence, crude language, and crude or somewhat mature humor. Viewer discretion is advised. Disclaimer. GDP Corporation YT's Chainsaw Skits is an unofficial Chainsaw Man parody series made for artistic and entertainment purposes only, and is not affiliated with, endorsed by, sponsored by, or officially connected to any Chainsaw Man owners, creators, publishers, or rights holders. So yeah, Mappa and the Chainsaw Man manga publishers, I don't even know what they're called. Mappa and the publisher dudes, yeah, please do not copyright strike this video. I beg of you to not copyright strike this video. Please don't. This series focuses more on slice of life comedy, slapstick, satire, and blunt internet humor with a style inspired by modernized SML/SMG4 type content while using its own alternate timeline, character dynamics, and comedic tone. I'm the street. I'm sorry. I'm the Secretary General of Special Division 4, and somehow I'm doing street level grunt work against a sea cucumber. Everyone is deployed, injured, chilling out, on leave, or pretending they didn't see the emergency call. So yeah, lucky me, shall we say. Alright, ugly. I don't know what oh, sorry. Alright, ugly. I don't know what sea cucumbers believe in, but you're about to meet Lucifer. Pift whoosh. Yeah, by the way, this thing of the sea cucumber devil, that's its mouth, by the way. It's literally just its mouth. So yeah, please do not comment any, quote, hear me out comments, or, God, I really hate this. Quote, some men die first while other men drown. Do not comment that. I will report you to YouTube if you do that. Do not do that. This is a safe space, but you cannot comment that. Alright, let's continue with the video. FUD. 40 minutes. That thing knocked me out for 40 minutes. The devil's gone. I don't know where on earth it crawled off to, and now I need to figure out what to do before this gets even dumber. Wait, it's dead. No, I didn't kill it. That thing could regenerate through bullets, axes, and half a brick wall, so whoever did this is still close. Gah, that filthy sea cucumber wretch stole my blood. Lucky for the great power regenerates what lesser creatures could never afford. Hunter! Fiend! Stay back, Hunter. Try anything and I'll paint this alley with your insides. Collapse. So, as repayment for saving Fee from that filthy sea cucumber devil, and for allowing me shelter in Phi Rich Person Fortress, I shall accept this arrangement as a contract. That's not really how contracts work. Silence! I have decided. Fine. Thank you a lot. Yeah, don't worry about it. I am Power, Blood Fiend Supreme. Denji Hayakawa, Secretary General of Secretary Division 4. A grand title. It sounds better than it is. All right, listen. When we go inside, be quiet. Oh, please. I am the very image of grace and restraint. You screamed at a vending machine 10 minutes ago. It blinked at me first. Oh, sorry. I skipped a slide. Sorry. Alma, I'm back. Denji, why is there a devil standing behind you? Relax. That's Power. She's the Blood Fiend. You said that like it was supposed to help. Fear not, woman. I only bite cowards and tax officials. Oh yeah, sorry. I meant to put this text as like orange for Denji, but I accidentally put this in blue for Alma. Yeah, just pretend that's orange. I'm sorry about that, guys. She's joking. I am not. Before I accept shelter in this rich person fortress, I demand one promise. What promise? You will not kill me in my sleep and sell my organs on the devil organ black market trade to some foreign country I cannot pronounce. What? No, absolutely not. Yeah, no. Nobody's selling your organs. Not even a little? How would we sell organs a little? Power, you're safe here. Good. Then I shall live. Denji, seriously, how did you even find her? I was fighting a sea cucumber devil alone because everyone else was unavailable. Of course. It used hydraulic jet, threw me into a wall, and knocked me out for 40 minutes. Welcome back to the hydraulic press challenge. Okay, that was a stupid joke. Okay, back on topic. Pathetic. You were bleeding in an alley. Strategically. Oh crap. Yeah. Similar typo over here. I meant to put this orange for Denji. But I accidentally put this in red. So yeah. Just pretend this is orange. Please pretend this is orange. Anyway, I woke up. The devil was dead, and she was there. So she saved you? Looks like it. Correct. Thou art welcome. Okay, so how long is she staying? Indefinitely, probably. No way. Yes way. Denji, you cannot just bring a blood fiend and say she lives here now. I didn't say it like that. You basically did. I accept ownership of this fortress. See? Human technology isn't even that bad. On second thought, Hear me out. That usually means something stupid is coming. Speculative joke scenario. With this remarkable human technology, I could gain mass support. Support for what? My rightful rise as Prime Minister of Japan, President of the United States, and Secretary General of the United Nations. That's not how the UN works. Then I shall fix it. You can't fix the UN by becoming two governments at once. Coward thinking. She is extremely unhinged. Yeah, and primal. Also, yeah. Oh, I meant to put this in blue. Sorry for all the color errors. Yeah, sorry. Pretend this is dark blue. Denji. Give her time. She's been here for what? A few hours? Before that, she was starving in an alleyway and fighting the devil. Uh, yeah, just ignore the eye patch error thing. Please ignore that. I know, but still, she's loud, but she's not trying to hurt us. She even helps me back there. You mean when she killed the sea cucumber devil? Exactly. Helpful. I heard that. I am not helpful. I am majestic. See? Polite enough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please smash that like button right now. Also, remember to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you have any suggestions on future stories, gameplay suggestions, reaction video suggestions, and other ideas in general, please be free to comment these suggestions or ideas in the comment section down below. It really helps out a lot. I hoped you enjoyed I hoped you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good day and stay safe. Also, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry about the some of the color typos. Yeah, I'm sorry about some of the color typos. Yeah, I really apologize for that. But yeah, I'm really sorry about that. But in the next video, I'll make sure that I'll do my best to make sure that there's no editing errors or in the video or any color typos. I'll do my best to make sure that doesn't happen again in any future videos. So yeah, but I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you all in the next video. Stay safe, everyone. Stay safe.